Hi, my name is Adi Prakash. I am from Chanakya National University and presently I am an intern at LexClick. In this video, we'll be talking about same-sex marriage and the cases and the petitions that have been filed in the Supreme Court presently, against which the center is presenting their argument, and there still is a wait for the judgment. So now, what is the center's take, center's stand in this entire case? The center states that a marriage in India, it's not just about a valid contract of a bond between two individual people, but it actually depends upon old age long customs and ethics and morals of the Indian society, and that is something that has been followed for a very long time, and that is what is prescribed by our laws, even codified and uncodified. Now we talk about what kind of a concept that Indian society follows. The Indian society follows a family unit concept. A family unit concept is a concept where there is a male, which is the husband, a female, which is the wife, and children, and that is the family. That's the concept of family in India, and that is something which negatively endorses the idea of not having a same-sex marriage, because that does not entails a concept of marriage that is suitable to the society of India. So the center is saying that just because the abrogation of section 377 abrogates not abrogates but supports the idea of a natural human behavior, it does not necessarily entails the idea of human conduct in this case, where it legalizes same-sex marriage. And that is why that could not be connected to the case of abrogation of section 377. Now, the center talks about why it's problematic for the Supreme Court to present or support this idea. It's because none of the codified laws that are implemented in India actually support the idea of same-sex marriage or even promote the idea of same-sex marriage. The concept of marriage presented by the codified laws in India are a marriage between a man, a biological man, and a biological woman. And that is something that will be if same-sex marriage is approved, then that is something that will be need a lot of amendments, and that's not the only provision that's going to need amendment. The different acts that support and surround the area of marriage, for example adoption, property, and all of that, even that will have to change. The entire concept and the structure that the society of India has been following till now will need a lot of change, and that will wreak a lot of havoc. That is against the delicate balance of morals and laws and provisions that we practice in India. Now, let's understand the stake that the LGBTQ community has in this. The LGBTQ community people, they are just asking for the basic rights that they have been deprived for a very long time, and that is something that is extremely fundamental at the basis of it, right? The right to adopt a child, the right to have a family, the right to be legally bound and legally be bound to the person you love, and that is something which is very basic and very fundamental. And personally it comes into the concept of Article 21, where it's right to life and life with dignity. And but presently the center says that we cannot incorporate the idea of same-sex marriage in Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. Now, the center also says that any change that is brought into the entire concept of marriage in India, we'll have to make different changes. That is something that is wanted by the people of the LGBT community. The people of the LGBTQ community, they want to have the right to adopt. They want to have the right to have stake in the property of their partner or their deceased partner, and that is something that will have to change, and that is from the pace that India has been taking in the concept of landmark changes in its beliefs and its morals to adjusting itself to the dynamic world. With the pace that the India is moving, there is still a lot of time and still a lot of changes that India needs to go through first to actually enable a construct, a strong construct where same-sex marriage can be essentially and effectively implemented. Hence, presently the center is being arguing against the petitions that are being presented in the Supreme Court, and let's hope everything comes out for the best for everybody. Thank you.